Hey everyone, welcome back to Apps Ninja Tutorial Sport. And on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a Telegram bot using bot.business. And especially if you don't know how to code, bot.business is going to be stranded for you. So before I just go into bot.business, I would like to show you guys that it's not just bot.business you can use to create a Telegram bot. There are other alternatives like many bots, but just that the advance of both the business bet is far better than many bots. And like you can't use many bots for referral stuff. Like what you can just use many bots for is things like you want to automatically send messages from let's say your website using the API stuff to your um Telegram channel. So that any update posted is going to automatically be dropped on your Telegram channel. So not just that again, many bots can be used also to create a Telegram bot, but like it's not advanced than that of bot.business. So before we proceed further, if you haven't created your bot using bot further, I think that should be the first thing you need to do. So like as usual, let me start first. You create a new bot, and then alright, a new bot. How are we gonna call it? So let's say I want to call it Daniel's bot. Okay, Daniel's bot, and okay, it's saved. And then now you can see this. Now you name it Daniel's bot like this or like this. So any of them, they're correct. So if you use sign like this, it's totally wrong. Like when I mean it's wrong, it's wrong. Okay, so you don't do something like this. What you do is that you use this sign, and then you create it, and then you send. So this name, I can see now this name is already taken. So you can use other names like, okay, Daniel's let me say tutorial boat, and then boat. Okay, tutorial. Sorry, tutorial. Then okay, tutorial boat. Okay. So now our bot is being created. So next we are going to do now, you see this stuff using the token to access the HTTP server. So what you're going to do now, you see this API key. This is going to be used as webhooks and the other stuff like okay, let me just show you guys what I'm going to do. So you create a new bot, and then like what they say, you should go to bot further, and then which I have done, and then you create a new bot to them, and then you send API. So I've copied the API token, and then you send it to them. Automatically now they will detect the API, and they will know the bot you've created, which is Daniel's tutorial bot. So the next thing you're just going to do now is start setting up your stuff, and then you can go to Daniel's tutorial bot, and then you can start setting up how your bot will look like. Okay, so form replies, create a custom commands, etc., and then config menu, blah blah blah. So although this is not what we are here for, so we are here like a usual. We are here for bot.business, like what I say, an advanced Telegram bot. So like I said, you create a new bot, Daniel's tutorial bot. Same thing with bot.business. Then this is where you paste that API token I copied earlier, and advanced. So create now. Okay, so this is my bot now. So as you can see now, we go to new command and start setting up everything about your bot. So okay, so for those who are new to my this thing, who are new to my YouTube channel, like I usually drop source code for bot.business on my YouTube channel. So feel free to go there and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more Telegram commands. But you can see now, this is how it is. And if you don't understand everything about my Telegram bot, you can also DM me. I'll drop my my YouTube channel link, sorry, my Telegram channel link, my YouTube name, my WhatsApp contact, so you can contact me, and I will get in touch with you shortly. So this here where you can get source code, like so this what you just follow up the step and automatically get your boot done. So with not much time, we can I will create another short video where I stop from, so we can just finish everything and I'll teach you guys how to. But if you feel free, yeah, you can continue from where I stop. Then you just join my YouTube channel for my Instagram channel for source code and everything.